Good morning, students. Thought I'd do a series of short posts for you covering various different items on the concrete building. So I'm going to take a look at the stairs first. I'd say a lot of you have already done these, but if you've not gone at it yet, here's a few little hints for you along the way. So I'm in my basement plan here, and I'm in that central stair core. So that stair core goes right down to the basement. This one does too. This one doesn't. Okay, because that's where the cars come in to the basement of the car parking. So let's take a quick look at that. You can see I've got a couple of doors positioned here. These are fire escape doors. I'm just going to go into the type properties of this one here. I'll take out the cavity closers. Okay. Now, so starting off your stairs into the architecture tab, up into stairs here. And first thing you're always going to do is have a look over the properties. So I'm choosing to I'll do an in situ concrete. Okay, in situ concrete stair with 150 waist. I'm going from the basement to the ground floor. It measures it itself. It's currently giving me 21 risers at 171 riser height. Okay, now I'm going to change that a little bit. So I'm going to go into the edit type here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move the maximum riser height. If you remember, I think that's set at 170 by default. I'm just going to change that to 184. Now watch what's going to happen. We're doing apply and OK. So now I'm down to 20 risers at 180. Now I'm not saying that 180 is correct. You need to make sure that those riser heights comply with fire regulations for escape stairs and things like that. All right, so but I'm going to go on that basis there. Right, so I'm ready to go. I want these stairs perhaps to start here, go up in the landing and come around here. Okay, so I'm just going to pick an arbitrary point like so. And if you notice down, you can see I've 9. So I've got 10 risers done, 10 remaining. So I'm going to left click now and pick that one. I'm going to move my cursor over here and I'm going to draw the next 10. So I'm going to drag that right out like so. Now, if you do it like that, it'll create the landing itself. You can see it doesn't fit into the area absolutely perfectly, but that's no problem at all because we can, there's lots, I'm going to show you how to edit these now. So I'll just go into my section here and see that. All right. Now you notice I don't have a floor in here at the moment, but I'm going to put a floor in when I finish the actual stairs there itself. So back to the top of basement here. So I'm going to select that one here. And I'm just going to use my keys. You can see that, look. And I'm not going to put it right up against the wall. I'm just going to put it kind of close enough to the wall. Because remember, we've got a railing coming in here and various other things as well, right? Now, so that's working out quite well. I'm going to finish that. Back to my section here, that one there. And you can see, so what it's done is put in a domestic railing. So I'm going to pick both of the railings here. I'm going to swap them out for the 900 pipe, like so. Okay, so that's a bit more industrial looking. All right, so here's my entrance in, and there's my stairs up. So that's the beginning of it. Now, what I'm going to do is go back into my basement plan. I'm going to go into my ground floor plan here, right? And what I want to do is I want to create a floor now for this to arrive at, if you like. So, the gray here is my floor. Okay, and I want to right click and say create similar. And then I'm going to come in here. Now, I could take it, I probably will do it. I'll probably take it from here. So that's inside the external wall. Because if you remember, we're going to build this on layers, if you like, everything at basement, everything at ground, everything at first, something like that there. And I can just move that, and then I'm going to align to this step, align that one there, and we'll stick that one in. And I'm just going to say don't attach. All right, now if we go back to our section, right section here. All right, now I've got my floor there. Now that probably is not absolutely correct. Okay, I think that step would probably arrive up at the top up here. And to do that, there's a little trick involved in it, but I'm going to send you over to the Yammer page. Okay, so here's your second year BIM module Yammer, and on that I've got 4 video tutorials which will take care of all of those little things that you have in terms of connecting the railings, connecting the landings, and all that kind of stuff there. All right, so you'll find all of that information there. But for the moment now, I'm just going to continue here. So I want these, now that I've got a